boys and girls, today we're going to be, for Crafts and More, we've got 2 Valentine crafts. We've got a fish, and we have an owl. So in your Ziploc bag, you will have everything you need for the 2 crafts. For the fish, you have half of a large heart, just like this. And you will glue, like that, your 2 pink hearts on your red heart. Okay? See how this is done? Your 2 pink hearts are actually facing each other. The tip here, and then the tip at the end here. And then you have a googly eye, and then here's your heart for its mouth. And then you have, these are its scales, so you'll have a piece of foil in there for the scales. And this is your little Valentine fish. Then here is your owl. You will have a white oval piece of construction paper, and you will have one large heart that's been cut in half for part of the owl, and then you will have 3 small Valentine, and then you will have a red and a pink medium-sized Valentine. What you will do is put your red one at the see the tip of your heart here, the indentation, put it at the very top of your white oval shape. And then bring your pink heart down and glue it, and then glue your eyes and your nose on, and that is your owl. For your snack, you will have some pretzel bites. So what I have here, you have 2 pretzel snaps, and I have Rolos. What you will get in your bag will be Hershey Kisses. What we're going to do, we're going to put these in the microwave and get Mom to help you, and put them on 40 seconds, and this will soften up your Rolos. And then you will get a box of candy hearts, and you will take out 2 candy hearts and put them in the center of your Rolos. Then you will have your snack. Then you will get a little cup of vinegar, and you put that in one bowl. This is for your STEM project. We just cover the bottom of it. And I have a bowl of just tap water. And you can just use tap water. If you have some type of Coke, some type of soda, get you another bowl and pour you a little in that. And we're going to take our conversation hearts and put 1 in each bowl and time it for an hour and see what happens if any of the color comes off of your conversation heart, and which one comes off first, whether it's the vinegar, which is right here, or the water. But you time it for an hour and find out which comes off first. All right, we're going to put our snack in the microwave, and we're going to put it on 40 seconds. And that'll soften it up. What you will get will be a Hershey Kiss. You'll get Hershey Kisses in there. And you will have your very own box of conversation hearts. I just have Rolos at home, and I just use those. We can go on and put our conversation hearts. The green one in there, in the water. And let's put a pink one in the vinegar. Let's put a little bit more vinegar in there. Got vinegar in this one and water in that one. And we'll see if the color starts to fade. Okay? Let's take our Rolos out. Oh, we got one that's oozing there. The caramel's coming out. Aha, so you can see that got good. I didn't take off my mask. I didn't even think of it. Maybe you can hear me better. And I'll put a white conversation heart right in the center. So you can press it down. And then we'll have a yellow one. Whoops. And I got chocolate on it, so we have a decorated heart there. Then that is your snack that you can have. But you'll have a Hershey Kiss. Let's see if anything's coming off. Doesn't look like anything's coming off so far, but you time it for an hour and see if you lose any color. And it'll be interesting to see if when you put soda in there too, if any of that comes off. Boys and girls, have a great Valentine's Day. See you in March. Bye.